In this video, I will cover how to draw a deck path around a pool. So you can open up the deck pool. I will first start by adding the pool. Choose between a circle or an oval and different sizes. You can select the add pool button and that will add the pool to the scene. At this point, you could add a house if you would like. Let me just draw out the shape, rough shape of the house. And then to draw the path around the pool, you would go to Deck Tools, Draw Deck Level, and then you can draw it around the pool, and you'll see how it automatically snaps to the corners of the pool. If you were to make a mistake, just hit the undo button and you can go back. You can select on any of these measurements too to enter custom dimensions. Then going back to the house, and then to complete the deck perimeter, just connect the two blue dots. And that will auto-generate the deck structure around the pool there. And you'll see the beams are under there as well. So that is a quick video on how to draw a deck path around a pool.